morning, and we are here on a beautiful day in Chile, and I'm going to show you a fantastic recipe today. This is eggplant. I've cut these into slices. Okay, I've cut them, I put them in water, and now I'm going to dry them. You can just leave this in a container which has like a colander. You know, the water just goes down. The first thing I'm going to do, heat up a pan and put some oil. This recipe requires a lot of oil. This is Chinese style. You have to cook this on high flame. You're going to add some garlic and some chilies. Finely chopped garlic and chilies. Okay, you get a very nice flavor when you add the garlic and chilies. And now I'm going to add some sesame seeds. I don't have sesame oil, but I can add some sesame seeds. They're already roasted, so I'm not going to roast them for long. Once you start getting a nice aroma, you add in your eggplant and you stir it up. I have oyster sauce here. It is available all over the world. I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. The color of the eggplant is going to change. It's going to become more brownish. I don't add any other spice to this. Alright, the last step is adding salt. Oyster sauce already has some salt, so when you're adding salt, you have to be very careful. So I'm just going to add about half a teaspoon of salt. So this is our eggplant. So here is Titi enjoying the eggplant.